Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice सीरीज जो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस सीरीज चल रही है उसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं. इन टुडेस क्वेश्चन इज discuss the management of fungal and bacterial disease of major vegetable crops. So what are the major fungal and bacterial diseases and how they affect major vegetable crops? So we have to discuss their management. And this question was asked in the Indian Forest Service examination of 2022, that is जो Indian Forest Service examination के एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल पेपर में 2022 में ये क्वेश्चन आ चुकी है. So let's see how we can approach the answer. कैसे हम लोग ये आंसर को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. So we all know that there are major fungal and bacterial diseases which affect our plant. तो अगर आप फंगल डिजीज पे जाओ तो जो मेजर ones are blight, either it be late blight, either it be early blight. Another major fungal disease is powdery mildew. Powdery mildew. And when it's come to bacterial diseases, the major bacterial disease which affect the vegetable crops is bacterial spot. A bacterial spot could be this bacterial spot could be uh, leaf spot, stem spot. So in anywhere this spot can occur any part of the plants. And generally the most common one is leafy spot. So these are the major bacterial and fungal diseases which affect the vegetable crops. So you should know them and you should you can introduce your answer by giving examples of these bacterial and fungal diseases. And now let's see how we can manage these fungal and bacterial diseases. The major management strategies. So first of all, we can use cultural practices such as crop rotations. So what happens? Generally, a type of disease generally a type of crop is susceptible to one disease. मान के चलो कोई एक crop है, it is susceptible to a disease called A. So when you keep doing the monocropping of the same plant, the disease gets established in the field. But or it could be pest also. The pest, sorry, it could be fungal or bacterial disease, anyone. So it gets established in the plant in the field. But when you keep rotating the plant, suppose we have now changed the plant. So due to changes in the our crop, changes in the crops per season, the disease are not able to properly establish in the field. So the disease is not able to properly establish in the field. So crop rotations are very important because here we will introduce non-host plants. The non-host plants to that disease after another season after season. So it will be not be able to establish. Secondly, good sanitation is very important. We have to remove and destroy the infected plants. Remove and destroy the infected plants. So it is very important. Next, we have to keep proper spacing between the plant. What happens? Due to proper spacing, the air circulation is good, and when the air circulation is good, the humidity will be reduced. So many times what you see generally fungal diseases are the region fungal disease generally occur due to high humidity. So we have to keep this thing in mind. So when there will be good spacing, there will be good air circulation, humidity will grow, it will help to control the fungal disease. Second, next, we have to do proper water management. That is, we have to keep in mind that the water we are using is clean, because most of the fungal disease, most of the bacteria is present in those water, and due to the use of those unhygienic water, those diseases can spread. And secondly, while water management, we have to keep in mind that we have to do it proper with proper scheduling, because sometimes excess amount of moisture also enhance the fungal disease and the bacterial diseases. So we have to keep these things in mind. So these are some of the cultural practices which we can approach for the control of fungal and bacterial diseases. Secondly, we can go towards chemical treatment. For fungal diseases, we can use fungicides. So use of fungicides will kill fungal diseases. For bacterial diseases, we can use bactericides, or you can say we can use certain types of antibiotics which are effective towards bacteria, bacteria. So these can be used. Next, we can do seed treatment, which is very important. Many times what happens, these diseases are present in the seed only or infect the seed only. So when they infect the seed, they infest the crop very early, at the very early stages, if they are present in the seed. So we have to treat the seed. We have to do certain types of drying the seed, or certain types of, we have to treat the seed with certain chemicals, so that the fungi and the bacteria present in the seed is removed and the plants that grow from those seeds are healthy. So seed treatment is another very good thing which we can do. And what the second thing happens with seed treatment, because when the seeds get established, there are, suppose when we are planting the seed in the soil, there are dozens of, there are millions of bacteria and fungi in the soil. So what this seed treatment will do, this will plant this seed, this will protect this seed from the bacteria and fungi present in the soil. So these are the some of the advantages of seed treatment. Next, we can use resistant varieties. So we can use the varieties which, suppose, which are resistant towards fungi, or which are resistant towards bacteria, so that the bacterial infections or the fungal infections doesn't affect that variety. So use of resistant varieties are very important. And I am giving you a homework. You have to select five vegetable crops and comment down the resistant varieties which are resistant towards fungus and bacteria. पांच कोई ऐसे varieties का आपको नाम बताना है जो fungus से या bacteria से resistant है, any vegetable crops. So this is your homework. And so by this way, when you will do some research by yourself, so you will remember things for longer times. So that is why I am giving you this homework. So please give the names of the resistant varieties. Next, we can do integrated pest management, that is combining all the methods such as cultural method plus biological method, that is use of predators, competitive species, you can see use of parasitoids. So these are the things we use in biological method plus chemical method. So whenever we integrate all the methods, they are known as integrated pest and disease management. I have discussed these things several times in my videos, so that is why I am not going in so much detail. I hope you can write some things on this structure. Okay, don't write that much, because these types of questions are generally asked in 10 markers. So please try to be brief, try to be concise, and highlight the main points. One thing more we can do is, we can monitor, we can do we should keep doing monitoring for early detection, for early detection because when we keep monitoring our crops, keep monitoring our plants, we will see, we will detect the diseases at the early stages. And detection at early stage is very important for the controlling of disease. When the disease is spread too much, then it becomes very hard for us to control. So keep monitoring, keep detecting the diseases at the early stage, and keep maintaining the hygiene, that is cutting the affected parts, and uh, making and taking them away from the plants. So these are the things which we can do. So these are some of the important points that uh, indicate the management of fungal and bacterial diseases. So I hope you understand all the points. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. Regular basis पे से videos को बनाने के लिए काफी hard work लगता है. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. अगर आप like करते हो, share करते हो, subscribe करते हो, तो हमें काफी motivation मिलता है कि हम और वैसे videos regularly आप सबके लिए बना पाए. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.